everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So this is the part 2 of the beautiful miniature dressing table set, and in this part I will share how to decorate this super cute stool along with the dressing table. I will share how to decorate the mirror, how to decorate the edge of the dressing table, and these super cute miniature lamp, flower pot and the accessories. And inside the drawers I have put some jewelry, and in another one I have put the chocolate, so you can also use this to gift it to someone special with the mini gifts inside this. So without any further delay, let's get started. I am starting with the decoration of the mirror. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. I am using only 2 mm strip for the decorations, and similar way I have created one more tight coil using half strip and 4 more tight coils using 1/8 strips. Also created one tight teardrop shape which is made using 1/4 strip. Now I will show you how to create the scroll. So here I am taking 4 small 1/4 strip of white color, just folding it from center and twisting it in one direction using pointed tweezer to make the scroll. So scroll is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now taking back the dressing table, exactly in the center I have added one tight coil which is half strip tight coil. Around this I am adding two tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. Then on the top I am adding 3 tight teardrop shapes which are made using 1/4 strips. And then on both the sides I am adding these 2 scrolls. Then between this design I am adding one tight teardrop shape which is made using 1/4 strip of dark pink color, and in the bottom also I am doing the decoration, so adding 1/4 strip dark pink color tight coil, then 1/8 strip white color tight coil. On top of this I am adding 2 small tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. And then adding 2 scrolls. Then inside this I am adding 1/8 strip pink color tight coil, and it will look like this. Super cute. Then on the remaining portion I am adding white color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip. Similarly I am going to cover the other side, and after decorating this it will look like this, and the mirror decoration is done. Now I am just adding one white color beautiful border around the dressing table edge to give it nice shabby look. You can use any border design which you have using border punch or border dies, but try to use white color borders only. You can also add crochet lace instead of the paper borders. Now I am taking dark pink color strip and just wrapping it around the leg to highlight it little more. Similarly, I have decorated the remaining legs. Then I am taking one more same border and sticking it in the bottom edge of the dressing table. And then on the left side and right side of the table top, I am adding this doily design. This is the mini doily die by Dress My Craft. I have just cut the doily from center to create two parts. So the decoration of dressing table is done. Now it's time to decorate our stool. So using the same doily design, I have divided the doily in 4 equal parts and decorating the sides of the stool. And then wrapping the same border design around the edge of this seat. And this is also done. Then here I am taking this tight coil which is made using 5 strips of light pink color in 3 mm. So using my quilling mold, I am just shaping it as a dome and making the lamp. Just tapping the center part using backside of the glue cap to make it flat. Add glue inside this and spread it very well. So the lamp top is ready. Then I have created these two cones which are made using 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm. I have just joined both the cones with each other to make the lamp stick. Then created these two tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip and half strip of white color 5 mm, just stuck with each other. And then this big tight coil is made using 2 strips of white color in 5 mm. So just joining all the coils together along with the stick, and then on top of this I am adding the lamp shade. So the super cute lamp is ready. It's completely dried. Now it's time to make one small coffee mug. So here I am taking this 10 by 1 centimeter purple color cardstock strip and just creating one ring like this. Like this. In the bottom I have added one white colored paper circle. Then I am just creating one small design using my black marker. then made this handle using purple color strip. So the cup is ready. Now I am starting with making this small flower pot. So here I am taking 1.5 strip of light purple color in 3 mm and making one small ring. So ring is ready. Also I have created this tight coil which is made using 2 strips of purple color in 3 mm. So I'm just opening the tight coil using my pencil and creating the cone, just tapping the bottom little bit. So this is the base of the vase, and using this ring I am making the dome shape. It will look like this after joining. So adding glue inside both the shapes and sticking with each other. So pot is ready. Now I am just taking these small wire pollens in white color, gathering some pollens together to create the flower bunch and wrapping it using purple color strip. Then cutting the excess wires from bottom and sticking it inside the flower pot. Like this. So the super cute flower pot is also ready. I also created this small comb. This is simple pipe made using paper and added 4 tight coils to create the comb. And these 2 small bottles which are simple 10 mm tight coils, added small 3 mm tight coils on top to create nail paint and lipstick bottles or perfume bottles. So the miniature things are ready, cup is ready, flower pot is ready, and also the lamp is ready. Now taking back my dressing table, and I will start attaching all these miniature things on top of this. And the super cute dressing table is ready. It's looking very gorgeous, isn't it? Just perfect for the dollhouse. And inside the drawer I'm just putting one finger ring and earrings as the gifting purpose, and on another drawer I'm adding one sweet chocolate for my sweet friend. Putting this doily as a rug in the bottom and then adding the stool. So the complete set is ready. You can make it in as many colors as you want. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Check out the part 1 in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.